What if you could talk to your computer? Instead of giving you advice, it actually does the work, clicking, typing, copying data, switching tabs, like a real digital worker. Sounds amazing, right? Yes, it is. Today, I'm testing TuriX AI, an AI agent, an AI digital worker that is designed to use your computer and handle repetitive tasks for you. You give it instructions and you watch it execute. If you want to grab it right now, use the public link turix.ai/bmf. I'll put it on the screen and in the description. And if you are a builder, the project is on GitHub too at github.com/turixai/turix-CUA. Also linked below for your convenience. You're welcome. Alright, let's get started. So here's the core idea of TuriX AI. It's not just a chatbot, it's an agent that can operate your desktop, meaning it can browse the web, it can click buttons, type into fields, and move through real software interfaces. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's 100% real. I'm going to show you. And there are a few reasons this is a big deal. You may wonder why? Well, number one, you can talk to your computer, then watch it work instead of only getting answers, right? Number two, it can connect apps with no APIs needed because it works through the interface like a person would. Number three, its position as a state-of-the-art computer use model on Mac, right? Number four is MCP ready, meaning you can hook it into setups like Claude for desktop via MCP if you are building more advanced workflows. Number five, the goal is simple. Free your hands so you can work faster and smarter. Now, you've probably seen other computer use, right? Style tools popping up, things like Claude's computer use approach, other PC agents, and automation features being added across platforms. But what I care about is practical. Can TuriX actually save time on real, annoying tasks, the stuff that's too boring for you, but too detailed for a normal chatbot? Let's do a case study that's easy to copy. You guys excited? Okay, let me show you. So here's the workflow. Every week, lots of people do this manually, right? Open a list of competitor product links, check each page for the latest price, update a Google Sheet, send a quick summary to the team. This is repetitive and it's click heavy and it's perfect for a computer use agent. I'm going to give TuriX one clear instruction, then we'll watch how it behaves. The prompt you're going to use on TuriX AI is the following. Open my Google Sheet called Weekly Price Check. For each row with a euro, open the link in a new tab, find the current list price on the page, then return to the sheet and fill in current price and last checked with today's date, of course. Now, if the price is unclear, write check manually in notes. After updating all the rows, create a short summary in a draft email. Biggest price drop, biggest price increase, and any rows that needs manual checking. Pretty simple, right? Now here's what I'm watching for while it works. This is how you should test any AI digital worker. First, does it navigate cleanly between tabs? Does it pick the right data and not hallucinate? Does it recover if it hits pop-ups, cookies, banners, or weird layouts? Does it keep consistent formatting when it writes into the sheet? This is super important, right? Yes, indeed. Okay, first it opens the spreadsheet and starts at row 1. This is a good sign, starting from the source of truth, not randomly browsing. Step 1, open the tracker sheet. Step 2, visit each competitor page. Very good. Now it opens the first URL, and when it finds the price, it doesn't just stop. It goes back to the sheet and updates the correct cell. That's very good. Now, this matters. The value isn't finding a price. The value is closing the loop, reading data from one app and writing it into another. Now, real pages are messy, right? Some have cookie pop-ups, some show multiple prices, some hide the price behind a drop-down. Yes, they do. Now, when it's confident, it logs the number, right? When it's not, it flags check manually and moves on. Now, this is exactly what you want in automation. Don't guess when it's ambiguous, right? Yes, indeed. Finally, it creates a draft email summary, biggest price drop, biggest increase, and the list of exceptions. I like it. Now, this is the difference between automation and useful automation, because now the output is ready for a manager or a team without you writing it from scratch. I love it. Now, a quick pause. Now, if this workflow is useful, go to the GitHub page right now and give the project a star. That's the fastest way to support the team and tell them you want more features, more stability, and faster improvements. Okay, so what did we just prove? TuriX can act like a digital worker across real tools, browsers, spreadsheets, email, without needing custom integrations, because it can operate through the interface, right? That no APIs needed angle is huge for teams, because tons of internal tools don't have clear APIs, but they do have buttons. So a quick reality check. Now, AI agents are powerful, right? But you still want good habits. So my advice, start with low risk. Tasks like research, tracking, reporting. You can use clear step-based prompts. Keep a human review step for anything sensitive. And if a site or form is unclear, make the agent flag it, not guess. Alright, here's what to do next. First, click TuriX.ai/BMF and try TuriX on a task you hate doing. Second, open the GitHub at github.com/TuriX.ai/TuriX-CUA and give it a star. Seriously, do it now. Thank you. And don't forget to follow TuriX official social community channels so you don't miss updates, demos, and new releases. If you guys want more real-world AI agent tests like this, subscribe and comment the exact workflow you want me to automate next. If you have a question, drop a comment. As well, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and see you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.